Most shower failures don't start with the tile. They start underneath it. Tile is not waterproof. It's just the decorative surface. What actually protects your home is the waterproofing system behind it. That's why using a complete system, ideally from one manufacturer, matters. Mixing products is where a lot of problems begin. Before tile is ever installed, a proper flood test should be done. If it leaks now, it's going to fail later. It's that simple. When it comes to the shower pan, there are two proven methods: a properly built mud pan with a surface membrane or a pre-formed pan that's already pitched to the drain. Either can work if it's done right. Details matter. Inside corners should have proper radius to reduce stress. Flat surfaces like benches, niches, and curbs must slope slightly so water actually drains. And once tile goes in, details still matter. Floors need proper slip resistance, and all changes of plane need flexible sealant to prevent cracking. At the end of the day, most shower problems aren't bad luck. They're missed steps.